Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will take a look at the RSI-7 technique for analyzing the trading pairs of cryptocurrency. So in the previous video, we saw the most basic analysis of a trading pair. With the help of it, you can easily decide if you want to sell or buy this trading pair. Today we will see a little bit advanced version of it. This is another indicator and widely used among traders. So to begin with, just enter your trading pair, for example LTC USDT. This will open the trading view of this pair. Here you will see an option listed as full featured chart. Click on this button. If you want to change your trading pair, you can do so by clicking here and enter your trading pair. It will be listed and you can choose it. We will stay with the Litecoin. So this is the current chart you can see. Below here you will find another chart of RSI7. If you don't see this chart, you can enable this by going here indicators. You can search here for relative strength index. I have already marked it favorite. When you click this, you can see the chart appear here. You can close this dialog. This is RSI 14. You can change it by clicking here. You can choose the 7 and resolution same as chart and source close and press OK. So this is the RSI 7 chart. So if we take a look at history, you can see it goes up and down, up and down. If you want to change the time frame, you can also do by going here. Currently it is running on daily. You can change it to monthly. If you want, you can take 15 minutes chart. So these are all the happenings in a 15-minute time frame. You can see the date here 22, and after 15 minutes of interval it is all listed here. So how to read the chart on the basis of RSI7? So if you take a look at the hourly chart, you can see there is an indication from 30 to 70, and you can see the graph even goes above 70 and also it can go below 30. So the main thing to remember here is that if it goes below 30, it means that it is oversold and it is very likely that the price is going to go up. So if you see the RSI7 indicator going below 30 or near to 30, it means that it is a very good chance the price will go up. And in the same way, if you see that the RSI7 graph is above 70, as you can see here, it means that it is overbought and it is very likely that the price will go down. But as always, you need to practice and do your own research. It is very beneficial if you choose the 15-minute time frame. So as you can see that it went below like almost 10 here, and after that it jumped to 49, 50 almost. So as you can also see here that the price went up and from here it went down, and also you can compare that it also went down. So it is a good indication. If it is near to 30, it is likely to go up, and it is near 70, it is likely to go down. You can spend some time on it and do your research, and based on this research you can trade accordingly. I hope you get the idea of RSI7 technique and it helps you in your trading. That is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.